Hello friends, today we will see Raspberry Pi 400 keyboard. It's PC. Not PC, it's PC with keyboard or whatever it may be. So let's see its pros and cons. First, let's move to its official site to see its feature and what their blog is saying. So this is the Raspberry Pi 400 keyboard, which has a complete personal computer built into a compact keyboard. Now they are saying it's a complete personal computer. So when you say a complete set of personal computer, I look for even monitor also, but display of Raspberry Pi is missing here. Again, I look for HD screen. So that HD screen is possible with two HDMI ports, but both are micro HDMI. So again, we were forced to use micro HDMI ports. Again, there might be a issue where we always don't have a micro HDMI available with any of the location. If we say it is a mobility device, which is keyboard. Again, there is a missing slot of, if we see in picture, for 3.5 mm audio jack. So again, there will be a issue if we say it is a desktop. We might need 3.5 mm audio jack, as we don't always use USB speaker. So still it looks like a little bit problem for 3.5 mm audio jack output. So this is a keyboard, and they are saying that this is the kit that we are looking for. Yes, definitely we look for the improvement, but people like us who do some projects or who enjoy PC in small form factor, so that kit is definitely a good for us. But if we go again for projects, then this keyboard does not fit in our example, as the GPIO pin still they are saying that it is accessible. But imagine if we say the lots of wire attached to keyboard, when in today we prefer a wireless keyboard and mouse. And again, in above, if you see, they are saying that it's a neat computer. But imagine with this 40 pin GPIO header, and I am doing some IoT project with this keyboard, and imagine the wires and the mess of the wire. So it's a Raspberry Pi, or it's a Raspberry Pi keyboard, or it's a personal desktop, still it is confusing. So if we talk about form factor for IoT projects, so it means if I am doing any IoT project and then I am using lots of wire for that project, so just imagine how I will connect those wires to that GPIO. Means every time I need to flip that keyboard, which has already attached either one HDMI port with some USB connection, LAN connection. So with these existing connections, I need to attach few more connections to the GPIO, and this is little bit tricky for doing the IoT projects on this keyboard. So might be this is my personal opinion, these GPIO headers on this keyboard looks like a useless. I said useless definitely because this is not for me if I am doing a IoT project. If you see, the picture carefully says the lots of connections are there. You can imagine how you will move or flip the keyboard every time to attach a GPIO pins. So definitely this is not for the project for IoT or DIY projects. If we observe carefully, might be it is not possible to attach any hat, maybe more popular hats which is available in the market for Raspberry Pi. So you cannot directly attach any hat to this Raspberry Pi keyboard. So more likely it looks like a heating problem solution of Raspberry Pi 4 official release. So in many videos and many blogs you might have gone through the Raspberry Pi 4 heating problem. So with this new form factor and attached keyboard means a new device and a solution for heating problem, because plenty of spaces are given between components of this Raspberry Pi 400 keyboard. We can say that in terms of cooling it is better as compared to Raspberry Pi 4. Now it looks like a consumer ready electronics device with some good PC capabilities, and it might be useful to replace some corporate desktops where minimum configuration is sufficient, with even advantage of two HDMI ports where corporate might prefer two displays. Then still pink and white color combination does not fit in the corporate world, so might be there need to improvement in the color combination of Raspberry Pi 400. At last again I will say it's not a credit card size board, definitely not, because inside it has a bigger board. Again I can see one advantage in this board. If we remove this keyboard entirely and single board computer card, so I can take the advantage of all these ports arranged in a single line. So where the project need something like this, so definitely this card will be useful, but not as a keyboard. So Raspberry Pi, we need solutions like Pi 0, Pi A plus models with some more features inside it and some improvements in hardware, which people like us are happy with its size and form factor, and also a speed which you have given in Pi A plus model. In some projects it is very helpful in that form factor.